Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day here for Apple, so updates here need to be made. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closable, they tend to act as resistance. And that'll be a level that a lot of people will be watching moving into Friday, especially those breakout players. So going into the day, right around 116.70 was that level of support, but with the price breaking down below it this morning, at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance. So keep a close eye on that. But I can also see how people may not even want to pay attention to that, and for their only focus to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. So I wouldn't call those people wrong at all, and that makes a whole lot of sense, because as you can see here, the price has gotten up around that purple line several times, and each and every one of those times, in the recent past at least, the price has just, then gone the, exact opposite direction. So however you want to approach it, but the point here being 116.70, more than valid area of resistance to keep an eye on. And then right up there, that purple line, the 50-period moving average, a very historic level of acting as resistance. So a couple different choices there as far as resistance areas are concerned. As far as levels of support, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of support down here. Now that we have more data, it's, appears more so that 115 is going to be that key level. I mean, you can see on several occasions, the price spent quite a bit of time down around that area. Now, of course, it did get a little bit of a bounce, but it's looking like 115 could very well get tested again. In the event 115 does not quite hold up, then the next key level of support to keep a close eye on would then be down here right around the 114.15-ish area. So 115 and then 114.15 will be the next couple of supports to watch moving forward. But definitely, the bears are in control. And you can see, if just to draw the trend line there, you can see very well-defined trend line in the downwards direction. But I mean, it is Apple, so at some point you got to think this thing is going to make a worthwhile bounce back up. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.